Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be taking a look at the KINGSMITH WalkingPad R2 Walk and Run Foldable Treadmill. KINGSMITH WalkingPad is the brand name, and it's a smart fitness company focused on designing compact, innovative treadmills for modern lifestyles. Their products are built for people who work from home, live in apartments, or simply want an easy way to stay active without dedicating an entire room to fitness equipment. What makes the R2 unique is that it functions as both a walking pad and a traditional treadmill, giving you the flexibility to walk or run depending on your workout. Starting with the unboxing, everything you need comes neatly packaged in the box. Inside, you'll find the R2 treadmill, instruction manual, power cable, remote control with battery and wrist strap, safety key, and an Allen wrench for adjusting the running belt if needed. Assembly is minimal. All you really have to do is plug it in and power it on. So you'll be up and moving in just a few minutes. The standout feature of the R2 is its foldable design. Unlike a traditional treadmill, the running deck folds in half. As the frame bends, the running belt loosens, and when it's folded, the belt automatically tightens into place. Strong locking hinges keep everything secure, whether the treadmill is folded for storage or fully extended for use. It also features built-in transport wheels, making it easy to move around your home whenever you need to. One thing I really like about it is that it stands upright on its own when folded, so you can easily store it against a wall, in a corner, or inside a closet without having to lean it against anything. Another thing that sets it apart is that it offers two different modes, running mode and walking mode. Let's start with running mode. From the folded position, begin by turning the locking mechanism to the left to unlock the handle frame. Raise the handles into the upright position, then turn the lock back to the right to secure them. There are locks on both sides. Next, unfold the treadmill so the running deck is completely flat. You can then loosen the adjustment levers to raise the handlebars to a comfortable height before tightening them back into place. Before you begin, attach the safety key to the treadmill and clip the other end to your clothing. If you move too far away, the key disconnects and immediately stops the treadmill for added safety. The included wrist strap helps keep the remote secure while you're using it. Using the remote, you can start or stop your workout, increase or decrease your speed, and adjust speeds anywhere from 0.5 miles per hour up to 7.5 miles per hour. When the treadmill is in running mode, it operates in the manual setting, meaning you'll control the speed yourself. At the top of the handlebar is a convenient storage compartment that holds the remote and safety key when they're not in use, and it also doubles as a phone or small tablet holder, making it easy to watch videos, follow workouts, or listen to music or podcasts while exercising. The LED display on the treadmill shows your workout metrics, including speed, distance, and workout time. Although you can certainly walk with the handles upright, the R2 also has a dedicated walking mode that gives it the appearance and functionality of a traditional walking pad. To switch modes from the treadmill mode, raise the handles to their highest position, then fold them until they rest flat around the running deck. In walking mode, the maximum speed is 3.7 miles per hour, which is ideal for walking while working, reading, or watching TV. This mode also enables the automatic workout setting, allowing the treadmill to adjust its speed based on your position on the belt. The R2 also connects to the KSFit app on your smartphone. This app provides additional controls and workout features beyond the included remote. Using the app, you can adjust your maximum walking speed, your maximum running speed, start and stop workouts, view additional workout data such as steps, and access guided workouts that automatically change the treadmill speed throughout the session. It's a nice addition if you enjoy tracking your workouts or prefer controlling everything from your phone. When it comes to your daily life, it's always good to get some movement in. So if you have a busy lifestyle or just want something that's convenient to use, collecting steps as you're watching TV, responding to emails, or just playing on your phone is a great way to do so. You can also easily scale your workouts so they're easier or more challenging when you feel the need to. And this treadmill really caters to that, with its two modes and range of speeds to choose from. I can easily watch a few episodes of my favorite TV show while walking, and before I know it, I've done a 5K. Overall, I think the KINGSMITH WalkingPad R2 is a really convenient piece of fitness equipment, especially for anyone trying to decide between buying a treadmill or a walking pad. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to store, while the ability to switch between walking mode or running mode gives it a level of versatility that many compact treadmills don't offer. Whether you're looking to get more steps in while working from home, take an easy walk while watching TV, or fit in a run without leaving the house, this treadmill makes it easy to stay active without taking up a lot of space. So that's everything you need to know about the R2 treadmill. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in getting one for yourself, check out the link in my description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.